courage? Is it the ability to speak up at the right time when needed? Is it doing the thing you know in your mind is the right thing to do? Courage is defined as the ability to do something that frightens one. Courage is the choice and willingness to confront agony, pain, danger, uncertainty, or intimidation. Valor is courage or bravery, especially in battle. Courage is Calling by Ryan Holiday is a book I somewhat recently picked up, and I really enjoyed it, so now I'm here to tell you about it. Courage is a good thing. It's something a lot of people want and need, yet it's quite rare. However, fear is what really holds us back from doing things we want to do or need to do, whether it be quitting that job to start that business, talking to the person you need to talk to, yet something holds us back. Fear. How can we defeat fear? We defeat fear by using logic. What if that person doesn't want to see me or doesn't want me in their life? Then they'll say that and you'll be turned away. That's really the best that can happen. While most of us won't make a living on screen as an actor or writer or some big celebrity, we all have to face this reluctance to be seen. Our fear of what others think of us, of embarrassment or awkwardness, is not the same fear that holds us back from running into battle, but it is a limitation, a deficiency of courage that deprives us of our destiny all the same. There's no change, no attempt, no reach that does not look strange to someone. There's almost no accomplishments that are possible without calling some attention to yourself. To gamble on yourself is to risk failure. To do it in public is to risk humiliation. Anyone who tries to leave their comfort zone has to know that. Yet we'd almost rather die than feel uncomfortable. Jerry Seinfeld once noted, "People are more afraid of public speaking than death," which means at a funeral, most people would rather be in the casket than giving the eulogy. Each of us have our own set of unique experiences, insights that no one can replicate. We will never know what it's like to actually be in someone else's shoes or know how it felt. We each have our own call, and if we choose the easy way, not answering it, we deprive the world of something. Our courage can turn into an action, which might succeed or it might fail. But whichever it does has the chance to impact someone else. For thousands of years, humans, have had to ask themselves a famous question adapted by the Rabbi Hillel. If not me, then who? If not now, then when? Because it does have to be done, and it'll be done by either you or it'll be done by someone else. So why not make yourself the one to experience true courage and ask the question, or start writing, or approach that girl, start that business? That being said, the best place to start is somewhere. And even if it's somewhere small, it's better than no change. Now, we don't need massive change. As James Clear writes, a 1% change is all we need to start a massive change. And as long as you add 1% every day, you will be better, and you will be able to feel it. And everyone around you will feel it too. Now, if you make the decision to take action, and you really want to actually take action, put yourself into a situation that demands that you take a big jump of faith, take the big leap of faith, and always seek out uncomfortable situations where you have to always be thinking and where you have to expand your knowledge to get answers that you seek. Because at the end of the day, growth is the best thing that can happen to anyone, and for it to happen to you is better than just sitting around watching Netflix and eating chocolate chip cookies all day, let's be honest. And change is important, and it's something everyone needs in their life. So I'll leave you with that. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.